Hi guys, this is Jerry. This video, I'll show you the all-new MG ZS EV Excite. So the Excite is more like a base model of the ZS EV train. So the drivetrain is the same. We get the same battery package, a 51 kWh battery, or 50.6 to be exact, and a 130 kilowatts motor, or power motor. So the body size are the same as well. All the body panels are exactly the same. There's no difference on the essence, but you're missing out some fancy features here and there, which I will go through that later on. This is a quick walk around for how the car looks like from outside. And this is the Pebble black finish, by the way. So at the front, we have full LED lights on the new MG ZS EV. So that's a nice upgrade from the previous generation with the new LED daytime running lights. And we also have this full grille display, so obviously no real grille. This is just a full panel with a new charging port. So you get indicator on the right and type 2 charger at the top, and then DC charge at the bottom, just over there, just like that. And then close that. Cool. And otherwise, other things, we have the 360 camera that's mounted at the front, on the wind mirror, and at the back. So yeah, definitely looks quite nice compared to the last gen. On the side, we have a 17-inch wheels. This is alloy wheel inside and hubcaps on the bike from outside, plus Michelin tires. This vehicle is not clean, by the way. This has been our test drive demo. It's been away for quite a long time, every single day. So I do apologize. It's not the cleanest car I'm gonna be able to review. At the back, we have full LED lights as well. So that looks nice, and some black decoration, and it's like a sort of spoiler or anything like that at the back, diffuser actually, but there's no exhaust obviously. Just like open the boot, we have about 440 liters of boot space in the MG ZS EV for New Zealand version. You can lift this boot up towards the higher position as well, so it's 2-level, so it's nice and flat like this. And open up the cover, we have the same thing as the ZS EV Essence. So tire fixing kit with air compressor and fluid, and also the home charging cable that allows you to charge through a 3-pin in New Zealand. This is again a very slow charge, but you're able to charge at home for your solo top up. There's no problem with that. Boot cover can be removed and both seats can be dropped, 40 and 60 split with anchor points at the back. It's pretty simple. Manual tailgate, just like that. At the back, exactly same size as the ZS EV Essence. There are no difference, even on the petrol version. These are the same seats, and the only advantage you're gonna get is a very close to flat floor compared to the petrol version. There's no center tunnel, stuff like that. And fabric seats on the Excite model. And the Excite will offer you very nice soft touch, and you got sort of different stitchings inside, red stitchings on all the train, by the way. It's soft. There's no premium feel to it, but again, it is a very good feel. At the back, we have USB-A and USB-C at the bottom, plus the air vents at the back. And this is how the dashboard looks like. So apart from the seats, all the things you see in this picture, this is all the same from the Excite to Essence. There's no difference. All the buttons or the touch or the material they use or the screen, the digital dash, they are exactly the same. Just like this. Let's open them. And on all the MG ZS EV, keyless entry, keyless start by pressing the finger over here. And then this is how the interior looks like. So same fabric seats at the front, and just a nice softer touch, and the cushion is quite soft. So I actually personally quite like these seats. There's nothing special about them, but this is very soft. It's not cheap feel, stuff like that. And manual adjustments, forward and backwards, recline, up and down, forward and backwards, underneath. So just one thing I forgot to mention from outside is all the roof rails. So on the ZS Excite, you unfortunately do not come with roof rails, and you don't have the sunroof. So roof rail is definitely one thing you maybe consider if you are going to use the roof rack. But the vehicle will be able to take tow bars, by the way. Maximum towing capacity is 500 kg, so on both vehicle trims, just like that. And so once we jump inside, we have electric wing mirrors, that they are heated, by the way, and a full digital dash. So that's the display. You can go left and right, up and down to change your display everything like that. Your adaptive cruise control information, your tire pressure information, and battery information, and brightness settings, stuff like that. So very nice display. Some people call it 7-inch because there's only middle screen that's going to show, but to be fair, it's more like a 10 to 12-inch display over there. So that shows you all the things that you need to know. On the steering, it's leather wrapped, so not genuine leather again, with red stitchings around the vehicle, and traditional MG logo, volume adjustment, and the controls for the digital display. Indicators on the left, windscreen wipers on the right. And this one will also have cruise control, so adaptive cruise control or speed limiter settings. It's all controlled by this lever over here. Push button start, just like we had. And in the center, we have a 10.1-inch display. So that's your display for all the air conditioning, your map display, your phone controls, your radio control, music control, everything like that. So this is how the home screen looks like. We get 3 big panels. First one is the information for vehicle charging, and you get Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and music control, media, radio, stuff like that. And we have navigation. This is how the navigation looks like. So this is quite cool. You get a school zone to the information as well, and you can quickly search, type your favorites, type your address, everything over there. And yeah, and we now have 2-finger movement compared to the last gen. That definitely wasn't available. So a very nice screen overall. Then we can also swap left. We have battery management again, AC, which is your air conditioning. So press that, you can see your air conditioning screens. You get automatic air conditioning, by the way, on this particular vehicle. You do not get heated seats. Just one thing that's not there. And click the home button. We have Bluetooth, so for phone connection, vehicle settings, for your safety, for your actual lighting, for your vehicle information settings. It's over there. These vehicles come with a complete package of MG Pilot, apart from the blind spot detection or blind spot assist. And we still have the 360 camera, so that allows you to see around the vehicle, plus your reverse camera. You can also have a 3D, so that allows you to tap around, see what's around you. So that's very handy for your parking. Video, you can actually play video through the USB over there. We will talk about that later. And settings, so that's to set it up a few other things about the brightness, about the time and other things. Radio and user menu to access to different things. So yeah, that's how the screen looks like. In case you want to know more about the screen, make sure you subscribe. I'll show you all the features on the screen in the future, a detailed tour to show you how to use everything as well. So let me know, leave a comment down below. Direct buttons underneath, home button, so switch on home, volume and air conditioning buttons, everything. Underneath, we have phone storage. There's no wireless charging on this one, by the way, and USB charging, plus Apple CarPlay Android Auto connection, and USB-C just for charging only, and plus a 12-volt socket for charging your other devices. Underneath, we have mode button that allows you to change to different driving mode. Curves, that's your regeneration program. Battery, that shows your battery management information on the top. Gear lever, so reverse neutral drive, plus park down the bottom. Electric handbrake, plus the auto hold function. Open the center console, we have 2 cup holders and more storage in the center console, and some storage in the car box. That's how the owner's manual book looks like, and some storage on the cabin, and some storage over here. One small thing I forgot to talk about in the ZS EV Essence model. This is your charging cable over here that allows you to install a small dash cam on the top, on the left. Very easy for connection, so you don't need to go to the wiring through to the vehicle down the bottom. All you need to do, just mount your dash cam on the top of the windscreen. So that's pretty handy. And this vehicle is currently for sale in New Zealand for $49,990 driveaway with a 7-year warranty, stuff like that. And you also get $8,625 government rebate after you purchase the vehicle. So if you're looking to purchase one, make sure you contact me. My name is Jerry. I work for Ebbett, so it's jerry@ebbett.co.nz. If you're in Auckland, make sure you contact us. And yeah, if you want to check other videos, if you want to know more about the safety technology, about the screen, about how to use your phone control, stuff like that, make sure you subscribe. I will show you more videos in the future. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you next video.